Okay guys, welcome back. We're here with Chris, Kurt, and me, Tim. So we're here to try that race that we talked about in either the last video or the video before that, one of those videos. My machine again is totally, more or less, what I would call totally stock. It does have a can on it, but that's it. And then Kurt's got this 2021 850 switchback. Same track, which is important because we know then the gearing remains the same and everything. And you even done the lug stud like I did. Yep. So we know there's no difference there as far as hookup or anything. And then Chris is here. He's got his 2017 800. Now he has a 2-inch lug on his, so a little bit different there, but we figured since we were all here anyway, we go 800 stock, 850 stock, 850 with SLP head and clutch kit, just to see kind of how it all compares. So we're gonna strap the helmet on. I don't have a mic hookup, so it's only going to be external mic today, which is fine. And we'll see how things compare here. So we'll check this out for you guys. We expect it's going to be fairly close, but time will tell. Red light on there? Yep. Yeah, it's still on. Counting up and everything? Yeah. I was right off the line because I was like... Yeah, I know. I thought about it when we left. So we should try it. We should do it. Can you hear if I just yell 1, 2, 3 or if you yell 1, 2, 3? Yeah, you're in the middle, so you yell together. There we are. It's actually very similar, so kind of what we expected, really. I was hoping he'd walk away a little bit, but it seemed to be pretty much the same. I did have to let off a little bit on the second run because the first run I went away late, and then the second run I was kind of twisting into him, so we did let off a bit there. But you know, hopefully somebody out there found this somewhat informative. If you again like this kind of thing, that build is coming up pretty soon with the narrowing kit and the skis, so you can tune in for that. So again, feel free to like and subscribe and all that stuff. Okay, we'll see you next time. Over and out.